RestoMods fans, big day at RestoMods. Joe and I are headed to the airport and we're picking up Heather Lewis and her husband William, and she's the winner of our 67 Mustang Fastback, and we are gonna give her her car today.
Say that again one more time.
I'll say that one more time. You are the winner of our 67 Mustang Fastback Sweepstakes.
You're kidding.
I'm not kidding you. Alright, I am at the San Diego airport with Joe, Heather Lewis and her husband. They're getting in right about now. Alright, we're here. Heather and William, welcome, welcome. Congratulations.
I'm so excited.
Congratulations. Are you guys ready for this?
Yes.
Alright, let's see this. Maybe, okay, alright.
Who's gonna drive it the most?
That is an awesome car cover.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, you get one side.
The car cover's yours too. You kind of got to pull it forward a little bit because it's custom fit for that car.
We're gonna do this like sheets on a bed.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. I got goosebumps. It is great.
Yeah,
Feel good?
that's all you right there.
Maintenance on the great too. Just wipe it down with a wet cloth. It's ready to go.
That's what American muscle is all about.
That's what it looks like.
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah.
Watch out, she's playing with the gear shifter.
So while you guys are in there, I'll kind of show you some of the stuff we've done on the inside here. So that center console we installed, that's a TMI leather console for you, cup holders and all of that. The dash here, and these door panels here have all been wrapped in leather. That's all custom work.
Gray stitching to match the paint.
Beautiful. You have a vintage air AC. I can come over to your side, Heather, and show you how that functions.
I was looking at it, I was like, oh,
So-
it's AC.
It's cold is up, hot is down, and then this is going to be like your froster is going to go up there, and basically max is going to be, that's how you turn it off. So yeah, it's all the factory air vents, factory knobs and all that, and it's all new underneath there. So yeah, your wipers, the Autometer JME gauges, so those are really nice. Those are upgraded. American racing wheels.
Yes.
Some beefy back tires here, and then if you go and get down in here, we have Wilwood, some Wilwood brakes, slotted drilled rotors, and then these are 4-piston in the back. And if you want to look at the front, it's a bigger kit up front. I'll pop this trunk for you, and we can show you in there, and then we'll get down and dirty in the hood.
Somebody get to win this one too?
No, that one lives here. So this is all TMI custom leather, and you got some suede up here. So yeah, this doesn't look like many Mustang trunks. Yeah, it's normally just bare metal in there.
Yeah.
This is. Oh yeah, we got some exhaust tips down here. Those are meaty. So that's
Was it the Mopar one?
So these are Magnaflow. Magnaflow exhaust. Yeah, they set us up with that, and we're really excited that we actually went with them because it sounds really good.
It does.
All right, let's pop the hood. Let's take a look underneath.
All the good stuff.
Let's get to the goods here, and I can kind of get in there.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, so Cobra intake 390.
Yeah.
So that's the GT came with the 390, and that's the big dog. Brand new AC compressor, all of those parts.
It was meant to be. You know how I know that?
How?
Because the engine's blue.
There you go. Got the Ford blue. Yeah, this is the crown
We was
jewel.
looking at engines.
The crown. Oh,
Showed
are
her
you?
a blue
Okay.
one.
Yeah.
And
No,
she's,
it's blue.
she's like, I like the blue. I'm like, that's Ford. Ford, that's the blue.
And then you have this the Wilwood master cylinder over here.
Right.
That one's was replaced when we did the brakes. So all of that is brand new. We haven't talked about the clutch. My favorite thing that we've done to this car is that clutch. And as soon as you drive it, you'll understand why. It's ready to go. It's nice and firm, lets out exactly where you want it to, and it's really easy to drive. We also redid the suspension on this one. It's got new shocks all the way around, new leaf springs.
It's exciting. You get all the phone calls, you get the Sweepstakes guy that calls and says, what do you want? Sends all the paperwork. Even when you call and made the plans, it's still like, I can't believe I won this car. I'm still standing here and I cannot believe that this is going to be in my driveway in a little while.
100% in the garage.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yep. This is 100% yours. So, soak it up. We'll get you guys in the car. We'll let you drive it.
William said, soak it up. Let's drive it.
Yeah.
Don't give up. It's real. It's really real.
Don't get mad if you don't win. This was stupid lucky. Will you marry me again?
Absolutely.
Oh, what's gonna go on the title?
Heather Lewis.
There you go.
And I just came across this ad on Facebook, and I was like, ooh, why not? So I went ahead and got it for the $8.95, and we worked together. So he picked me up in the afternoon and got in the truck, and I said, I bought something today. He was like, what? I was like, well, I entered a sweepstakes.
You
He's
never
like,
know what that means. It's not always a $9 thing. So
I said, I entered a sweepstakes. He's like, for what? I said, it was only $8.95. He's like, for what? I was like, it's for a 1967 Mustang Fastback. He's like, I think we can let that one slide. That one's okay.
Why is this?
And I just started watching you guys with all the cars and just looking up at the merchandise. And on the deadline, the day it was closing down, I was like, why not? So I went ahead and got a VIP subscription, and I got a phone call like a week later.
From this guy.
Here we are.
It was great.
Here we are.
My mom texted me and she says, "Did you hear it? Did you listen to the video?" I was like, "What video?" At that point, I was just on cloud 9, and she's like, "They play you hear your ringback tone." I was like,
Mom heard it before she
That's
did.
so
so I'm like trying to get there, and it's taking forever. I'm like, "Oh my gosh!" And I pulled it up, and we were going somewhere, and I was like, "It's us! It really is!"
This
Awesome.
is me. This is my
Awesome.
phone. Maybe. There's a glimmer of hope.
Yep.
Maybe this
Yep.
is real.
Yep.
And then
I told
the
him.
third party guy called, and
Yeah.
they're like, "It's another. That's another box checked." And then, from there on, what happened, and it was like,
You had me from the phone call. Let me
That's-
just,
Yeah,
let
okay.
me just
I
say
saw. I
that.
heard your excitement.
You
Yeah.
had me from the phone call, and he's like, "I'm not getting excited." I
Yeah.
says, "Look, I'm gonna be excited until I have a reason not to be excited."
she went the other way.
Well, you guys evened each other out. He was like, "Oh, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna
Oh,
wait.
no,
I'm
I
gonna wait
was
till I know."
excited.
Yeah. Okay.
I was trying to contain her a little bit.
It
and
wasn't
she
working.
was not being contained.
It was not
deep
working.
down, you knew too. You just we were holding back.
After the third party guy called,
Yeah.
that's when I kind of like,
Yeah.
okay, I can probably
Yeah.
believe this.
It's
now.
not one guy saying I
Why
want
would-
it.
Why would somebody else call?
That's some paperwork, right?
Yeah.
And you got the paperwork in the email. And I was like,
Okay. That's why one more step.
Live. These are our winners
One
right
more
here.
step.
We were at
Heather and
lunch.
William Lewis.
The sweepstakes guy called, and I was like, "Hey." I was like, "We just won a
You know
car."
who that was?
We
Yeah.
Really won a car.
That was the guy. I answered the questions, and we are the winners. Like,
Yes.
awesome.
I'm Heather Lewis, and I won this beautiful car.